In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all CRM contacts in GoodDay. Before we begin, a quick warning. This process will remove all CRM contacts from your account. Once they're deleted, you may not be able to recover them, depending on your system settings and backups. So, if there's anything you might need later, consider exporting or backing up your contacts first. Let's get started. First, log into your GoodDay account as you normally would. Once you're on the main dashboard, look towards the lower left corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. This might be your photo, your initials, or a generic user icon. Click on that profile icon to open a small menu related to your account. From this menu, you'll see several options related to your profile and preferences. What you're looking for is the option labeled Account Settings. Go ahead and click on Account Settings. This will take you to a dedicated page where you can configure different aspects of your GoodDay account. On the Account Settings page, you'll see a number of sections or tabs depending on how your interface is laid out. Find and click on the section called CRM. This is where all your customer relationship management settings and data are organized. Clicking CRM will open up a set of options specifically related to your CRM features. Within the CRM settings, look for an option labeled CRM Contact or CRM Contacts. This is the area that specifically manages the list of people or organizations stored in your CRM. Click on that option to open the full contacts management view. Once you're inside the CRM contacts section, look carefully for the control that allows you to remove all contacts at once. This will typically be a button or link that says delete all contacts. Because this is a destructive action, it's often highlighted or separated from other options to prevent accidental clicks. When you click delete all contacts, you will most likely be prompted with a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to proceed. Take a moment to double check that you really do want to remove every contact from your CRM. If you're absolutely certain, confirm the deletion. After you confirm, GoodDay will process the request and remove all CRM contacts from your account. Once it's done, your CRM contact list should be completely empty and ready for a fresh start or new data import